Crescent pose. We're going to start in mountain pose. Go ahead and step the left foot back. You want your toes forward. You're going to lift the ankle up over the ball of the foot, bending the front knee. Make sure that your hips are facing forward. Pull in the navel towards the spine. Go ahead, and if you are still working on building strength and balance, just bring your hands to heart center. If you have this, then go ahead and raise your hands overhead. Crescent pose is great for relieving symptoms of sciatica. We do that on the other side, starting in mountain pose. Just take the right foot back, both feet facing forward. Remember to lift up that ankle up over the ball of the foot, bending that front knee. If you're still building that strength and endurance and balance, go ahead and put your hands to heart center. When you have that, progress to hands overhead. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.